Hello and welcome back to another lesson. So in this lesson, I want to show us another example of how we can use for loops when working with JavaScript array. So let's dive in. I'll make my HTML doc and change the title. I always do change it so that I can keep in sync with what I'm working on part time. Using for loops. Array JavaScript. So it's not necessary if you don't want to. Then I can make an header working with for this. I'll refresh and then move to the next line, make a p tag this time around as usual and give it an ID of demo. Then I can move to JavaScript mode and said, okay, here's my script tag. Then the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to make an array of cars. So I have like 4 different cars here: BMW, Volvo, Saab, and Ford. And as usual, I will make an empty variable where I want the output of my array to be. So like this. And then I'll move in and do where I want the output to show document.get element by ID demo dot inner HTML equals text, which will be where my result will be. I'm talking about this text. So once I use for loop on my array, I want the outputs to come out in this empty string variable, which I have declared here. And so the result of this text is what I want to see in my browser. So as you can see here, I have 4 items in my array, const car. So this is my array, a car array with 4 cars, BMW, Volvo. I want to change this to a very familiar one and do like Toyota. Yes. And I can as well add to it if I want more. So I can change this and do on the as well. So now that I have a complete item and a complete array declare in my code, how do I use for loop to get each of these individual items out? That is what I will be showing us in the next lesson. Join me in the next lesson as we use for loop to work with array. Thank you.